So this is the heart template from the Jewel collection, and the first time we're going to use the 4.5 inch. On the heart templates, you're always going to be double stitching. So you start farthest away from center, stitch, come back, and then rotate the template. And now I'm going to rotate the template. Get that thread underneath. And I'm going to stitch the other half of the heart and come back. I'm all lined up. I can tell I've got my center reference line here on this line, and I can just keep going. Stitch the next half of the heart, come back, rotate the template, line up my reference lines. Now with the 4.5 inch, you're going to have interlocking hearts.